Let's learn how to leave a review on Google Maps. First, open the Chrome browser and go to Google Maps. Search for the location you want to review. For example, I'll search for Disneyland in the US. Once the location opens, go to the Reviews tab and click Write a Review. Here, you can share your experience publicly. Start by giving a star rating. I'll give 5 out of 5. Next, you can write a comment about the place or your personal experience. If you have photos or videos from your visit, you can add them here as well. I'll upload one image. Depending on the place, you may also see some additional options to select before posting. When you're done, click Post. Each review you write also earns you points on your Google profile. For this review, I received 19 points. Now, my review is visible. If we filter by most recent, you'll see it appear right at the top. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing.